people out in the hall. They were looking at me funny. So ignore my stuff on the bed and ignore the fact that we're starting in the bedroom. But this is the first door off the hallway to your right. And man, I can hear everything out in the hall. And let's check out this window. We're just gonna start here and say, I'm not a fan so far. Look at this one. Here's my view. And it's loud. My neighbors can't figure out which room they're supposed to be in. So we have the one bedroom. Looks like a nice big bed. Soft so far. We got one of these iPhone things that I think is antiquated. I don't see any USB chargers at all so far, so fingers crossed. Nice TV, big drawers, telefono, closeto. Let's see. So while we're checking out the room, I'm just gonna tell you, if you're young and full of vim and vigor, sure, this is a great place. Stay here. But if you're old and fat like me, maybe this ain't your place. There's no parking here on this facility. The tub, I mean, it's little, but it's a bubbler tub, you know? But anyway, the parking is a block down the road. There's absolutely no parking here. None. The bellhops won't let you use the carts. They have to use them for you. Have you heard of Corona? Don't touch my stuff. I'll touch my stuff. So I couldn't use a cart. We had to carry it all. Not happy. More unhappy because they let the people next to me use a cart. Be consistent, Demwad. Ice bucket. Turn. Ooh, flashy, flashy. Little poltergeist here. Can I? Oh, we'll try. I was a little frosted. We'll see if that works. And full refrigerator. Ignore my cup. Microwave, stove, toaster, a brew station. Good thing I brought coffee. Ginsu knives. Actually, it says Ginsu. Chop it, chop it. I don't know where that light switch is. Where's this? Let me see. Might be this. Yay! Living room. I think that folds out. Look at this little corner. I mean, you got a nice floor, but then you got, what? This janky, what was this, a closet? And you couldn't, details, people. The devil's in the details. At least put a table and a plant so I don't know. I don't know. You know I'm picky about this stuff anyway. Probably turning the... Let's see. The neighbors didn't holler. Let's not do anything. So, a little 4 chairs, table, big TV with a what? What's that thing? A DVD player. Oh, that's right. You get a coupon to go rent a DVD. What's in here? Nothing much in there. Safe. Okay, ignore the stuff in the corner, that's mine. And then I think we'll all agree. Let's see if this works. Yay, it works. I think we'll all agree this is one of the better parts. The pools are all closed. Guess you can get in the hot tub. Way to wreck the Serenity rent a helicopter. That was almost scary. They're doing a photo shoot. You can tell who's from here and who's not. The ones from here have long sleeves and long pants, and the ones not are half naked. The guy in the gift shop said, "Where are y'all from?" I said, "St. Pete." He said, "What the hell are you doing here?" Yeah, let's look at the weather tomorrow. Maybe I'll know. Okay, so the room. I'll let you know more about it tomorrow. The hotel. I'll let you know more about that too. Oh, it's 4:51, 4:50, yeah, 4:50. We just got checked in. Yeah, that wasn't fun either.
Like, this is so wow. It's trying to be through this early in the morning.
There's the front of the hotel. Pretty fountains. When you come to check in, there's the front road. You need to pull into this garage here, but it's not really a garage. You pull in here, you park, you check in, unload, which they have to help you unload, and then you go to that big yellow building over there, a block and a half away, and park your car. Fountains are pretty. I guess, if I'm honest, I'm just not a fan of these very small footprint on the beach hotels. Usually, mostly. Just wish they'd taken the sold sign off the wreath before they hung it. Oh, I'm a critical witch, ain't I? Yes, that's why you like my videos, right? Right. Alright, breakfast, cloudy sky. Gotta get some stuff done today before. The guy scared me. Gotta get some stuff done today before it rains. So, let's go. It's very windy and very cold, at least to me. The red flag is out. Danger, danger. We did end up getting a scooter from Wheelchair and Scooter Rentals of Myrtle Beach. I can't remember the exact price, but I'll put that in on the screen now. And it's doing okay so far. If they have any problems, I'll do an update, but there were several companies available to rent from. But remember, this is considered the off season here, so it's funny. Some things are closed because it's the off season. Some things are easier to get because it's the off season, but still a lot of the hotels say no vacancies. So is that because it's New Year's Eve weekend? Could be. More research, more research. What a view you would have from up there. It's our final morning. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we woke up to tornado warnings and the water being blown out of the pool and all the chairs tossed around. It's been quite a wild morning here, but we're packing up and getting ready to head home. Let's go do the last little walkthrough of the hotel room, shall we? Yes, we shall. Look at all my mess. Almost ready to go. I pull everything right here and then we go from right here. But everything was okay. Robert's not a fan of this coffee pot, so I guess I won't buy him one. Coffee doesn't get very hot. The bathroom. Hi. So the jetted tub. I went to take a bath in the jetted tub. And I started filling it up with the shower, and then I sat down and turned the water on, let it get over the jets, and then I turned the jets on. That was freaking cold. Then it just got all bubbly, and it made so many bubbles. I was just like up to my neck in bubbles. I had to call Robert. I didn't put any bubbles in that tub. Where did those come from? I don't think I want to know, and I don't think I'm using a tub like that again. At least not in the hotel. That was kind of McIcky. I mean, I know it's soap, but... And the bed, oh yeah, the bed. I slept there one night. I slept on the couch the other night. Ooh, towel on the floor. My feet were wet. Ugh, I got it. But the bed was okay. The pillows, they're not my favorite kind. Here we are in the bathroom again. So we're out of here. Hope you enjoyed watching. Happy anniversary to my husband. Happy New Year to everybody. Let's go make some more videos. Bye now.